Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these oats overnight. So they come in these bags and you're going to add some milk, put it in a container. Now this kit does come with this blender bottle that you can shake it up in. So you're going to put it in the refrigerator overnight and then the next morning you're going to have some oats. So in this pack you do get a Mocha Dream. Now the Mocha Dream does have 100 milligrams of caffeine. Now the others don't have caffeine in them, but they do have 22 grams of protein. Gluten-free, non-GMO. Does have a best buy date on the top, and it's got 290 calories. So I like that the bags are nice and easy to open. They tear real easy. There's what it looks like. So you're gonna put that in the blender ball. I just want to show you this is what it looks like. So you can see there's like a powder in there, and there's also some oats. So with this blender bottle that's for oats overnight, it's got a fill line. So you're going to put 8 ounces of milk, then put the powder and the oats in. You're going to shake it up, put this in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight. The next morning you can shake it up again a little bit, and then it's ready to serve. So this is the one that I made with milk. Now with the milk, it is a lot more creamier and richer, I feel. I did make some with water. I put 8 ounces of water. The oats, it tastes got a little bit less flavor to me, but it still tastes pretty good, and it's a little more liquidy. But in both of them, the oats are nice and soft, and it makes a really nice drink. Now you can put this in a cup and then microwave it and have some hot oats. Now this blender bottle for oats overnight, it doesn't come with that little blender ball that's inside there. I did get a different one. This blender bottle has that little ball in there. I did feel like that might have helped mix it up a little bit better. So this one comes with the peach upside down cake, and they've got the wording upside down. The Mocha Dream, this one is really good. The peanut butter cookie dough, it actually tastes like peanut butter cookie dough. Then we got chocolate peanut butter banana, strawberries and cream, and maple pancakes. And then blueberry cobbler. Now the blueberry cobbler looks like it's got some blueberries in it. So I really do like the taste of these. It's very convenient to make them overnight, and then they're ready to go first thing in the morning. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.